also looks confused.
Assalamualaikum. 안녕하세요. 다우트킴입니다. And here is
Brian.
and today's special guest
is Khaled.
Khaled.
I am a Somalian. Somali.
It's so interesting, right?
Yeah,
Have you
have
guys ever had a Somali guest?
Yeah, I've never. You're the just first
I'm
one.
the first one and the best one and the last one.
Yeah, nice to meet you, bro.
Somali and Korean together. We are brothers.
We're all brothers and sisters.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yes.
At the end of the day.
Yeah. So today I invite you because I will react Somalian TikTok.
You know Somali TikToks are crazy. They do some funny stuff.
I've never seen before.
You're gonna
Me
laugh
either,
today.
Can you teach me anything about Somali, like language or something?
Setahai.
Setahai.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Hi.
Setahai. Setahai.
Setahai,
How
brother.
do you say?
One Fihanahai.
Fianahai.
I'm doing good.
I'm doing good. Gajai Heso.
Gajai Hassa.
Gajai
Gajai Hassa.
It sounds like it kind of
Mommy, Gajai Hassa.
Yeah.
So let's see, and maybe you can talk about stuff because maybe we don't understand.
I'm gonna tell you what
Okay,
they
I
say.
get
Yeah.
it. Start, bro.
Let's start.
Somali style.
The person who's singing, his name is Ilkasit.
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 Yeah, the guy.
The music.
Yeah.
The music, yeah. Somali. Oh. These are the people in
Yeah, Somalian.
Somali is,
It's
you know,
amazing. Amazing.
we are underrated.
I feel like there's like so much diversity.
Yeah.
Racial diversity in
I
the
think
South.
they really look amazing. You know, like
Exotic.
yeah, it's very exotic.
There's actually quite many famous Somalian fashion models.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Iman.
Iman.
Yeah, she's so. I've met many black people, but Somalian have their own like things.
We got everything that we eat.
Yeah.
We have to have a banana.
Oh, really?
That's
cool, that's cool,
We eat
that's
banana
cool.
with everything. Go to a Somali household and there's no banana.
It's
not
not a
right.
Somali.
It's not a Somali.
I got it. We should stop.
It's on. It's on.
We should
Yeah,
stop. Okay, start. Fighting.
Next video.
Whenever I see a video on my For You page of like a black Muslim girl, I'll click the comments and all the comments are from like Arab men being like, it's always the Somalis, it's always them. What? But they're obviously extremely like racist comments.
Oh,
on TikTok.
Whoa.
It's actually not funny.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
not funny
that's
video.
Not funny. You shouldn't bring Muslim women down. To uplift them, you know?
You should have respect more.
You should
Yeah.
have
We
respect
should show
for
respect
all women.
towards
All-
everyone.
all
Yeah,
women.
all of them.
You have a mom, you have a sister,
Yeah,
you
of
have
course.
you know?
That's teaching of Islam.
Like we always say, like we're all brothers and sisters.
We are all brothers and
Yeah.
sisters. At the end, love matters the most. Just only Muslim.
Is
Only Islam.
Somali is the only Somali is the only place where it's 100%
Islam.
Islam.
Whoa. Yeah, even like Saudi Arabia, it's
Yeah,
not
no,
100%.
it's not.
It's like a population growing.
Yeah.
Amazing. Next video. I'm from Somali.
Wait.
Speak Somali?
Me?
No.
What are you talking about? Yeah, I think we have similar situation. Like, are you Korean? So, yeah, I'm Korean. So you can speak Korean?
I mean, no
Yo.
shit.
I love the outfits.
Yeah,
It's cool.
Oh, the style. We know how to
Yeah.
dress. Somalis know how to
Man,
dress.
style.
and they're pretty.
Huh?
They're pretty.
Mashallah.
Yeah, mashallah. Mashallah, Sahib.
Mashallah, Sahib,
brother.
Sahib.
Top 10 most dominated Muslim in Africa. Dominated. Oh,
Senegal.
96? Crazy.
Wow. Libya, 97.
97.
Sudan,
Sudan.
97.
They're all Muslim.
Djibouti, 98. They have this French, this one.
Algeria. Oh, 99.
Algeria, 99. Wow.
Wow.
I did not know that.
Morocco.
90, Tunisia, 99. Wow.
Wow.
99.8? Wait,
like-
who's number one?
But same thing.
What?
What was that?
Wait, what country is that?
I have no idea. Like
Mauritania.
I've never heard of it.
I've never heard
Mauritania.
about it.
It's probably 10 people. That's why it's 99.
You're my happy place.
Thank you for the
Oh, so sweet.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they tell it. You know,
Oh,
we get
yeah.
a lot of people be saying Somalis guys are not romantic.
They
No,
are.
that's what they say.
Oh, that's what they.
Yeah,
oh,
You know,
it's a
but
stereotype.
it's a stereotype. But we're
Very romantic.
opposite. We're romantic. Yeah. So I'm a romantic
Right?
too.
Oh yeah.
You know,
Yeah, I can tell from the
Yeah,
video.
I can see that. That's so romantic.
you gotta be romantic.
I like that.
ودينه رب الكعبة انت
Oh,
اوفن
yeah,
كوغليو والمون كوكو حيرو او بين ساس كوكو غلي متقنا اساس كوكو غوزنا والله صباح مسورا
That's that guy he said, I swear to God, if you divorce my sister.
Oh,
I will-
That's a meme, like a
That's the
meme.
guy?
Yeah, he's making a video off of
Crazy.
I like the guy who's talking.
It's so funny.
His name is Abtilibet.
Abtilibe.
Yeah. Say shout out to Abtilibet. He's a comedian.
I get it. It's so funny. It's so funny.
Yeah.
We should try this.
No, we'll do it. We'll do it.
I'm sorry. I find this girl.
I want to marry her.
I think you like her.
Mashallah. What's
Clan?
Yeah, it's basically
Wait.
a tribe. So like, oh yeah, that's
Yeah,
the thing.
She's Japanese and like
I mean, Korean mothers are
same.
kind of like that. Yeah.
Kinda same.
No,
yeah, but
gotta be
I
open-minded.
understand like every place like mom and son they always
Yeah.
fight,
Yeah.
but the important thing is the son always win.
But what? No.
Isn't
Parents always. win.
You think so?
They're
Really?
they're strict.
Oh,
My way or the highway.
Yeah.
That's how they be.
my way.
My way.
My way.
Follow my rules.
When you go to Somalia,
When you go to Somali,
you don't have to worry about your language.
Mhm.
As Somalis speak so many
really?
languages, the main language is obviously
Somali. Oh, they can speak Arabic
Ah, yeah. There's some Somalis that know Arabic.
and English.
Italian as well.
I even didn't know.
Learned a new thing.
Yeah. Oh.
Look how beautiful it used to be until they try.
Wow. It's Somali.
Wow.
So beautiful.
That's Somalia, man.
Mashallah.
But the internet don't want to show you that. They want to show you the bad side.
Yeah, you know what? Like, so there are a little bit like stereotypes. Like
Yeah,
Somali, then not very developed country.
Yeah,
But like in this picture, like it's so cool.
I feel like everywhere in the world it'd be like a stereotype. People think America's the best place in the world.
No.
But then they're never gonna show the good side of Somali. Ever.
Yeah, right.
You
You,
know?
shouldn't believe the media 100%.
Don't believe no media.
Don't believe media.
You know?
Man,
And
no,
don't
no.
trust people.
Don't trust. Yeah. Don't.
Some people.
Yeah.
Dawood is going to Somalia this year, by the way.
Oh yeah, I will. I will.
Yes. He don't go, I'ma come.
Oh, okay.
You gotta come!
Hey guys,
Somali
so
food.
today we're gonna try
Somali
Somali
food's
food,
amazing.
baris and hilib
You see how there's banana?
and more.
Oh, there's banana.
So this is our baris and hilib ari with our pasta
Spaghetti.
and
They
the
like
chicken
spaghetti.
sugar.
Spaghetti. pasta.
Also, this is us three's first time trying it
With
with the
banana.
moros.
Banana. You see how.
That looks
Next up,
good.
Zainab.
Yeah, that looks so tasty.
Next up, Beza. Okay.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Rating?
9.9 out of 10.
Period. My rating?
Why not 10 out of 10?
I'm not 10 out of 10.
Why not 10 out of 10?
See that?
Next up,
See that.
Basto.
Okay, now she's gonna say 10 out of 10.
Did you hear something?
Oh, spaghetti.
Pasta looks so good.
Chicken sugar, bismillah.
Bismillah.
Oh, bismillah. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm telling you.
I'm so hungry now.
You gotta get that. You need a Somali food.
Yeah, everyone try. Oh, Miss Africa.
Oh.
Yeah, she won Miss Africa.
I mean, there's so many good-looking people in Somalia.
Yeah,
So,
I agree. Somalia.
You know who's singing?
No,
I don't
It's
know.
called Sharma Boy.
Shama boy.
Oh,
Shama boy.
cool. I like that outfit.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think Somalian dress are a bit long,
Yeah.
but it's really cool.
And like everyone looks like a model.
Yeah,
In Somalia. You
I
guys
think
have
so
like
too.
long as limbs.
Yeah, they have really small
They're-
face.
they're-
and
Yeah,
tall.
like you guys are like perfect.
They're just models.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I
famous
think the
model.
reason why is they like that because all we eat is rice and spaghetti.
Ah.
Yeah, you guys are so skinny.
Yeah, they're so skinny.
Yeah, we're skinny.
Wow.
tall, skinny, and yeah.
We eat one time a day.
Really?
No.
Oh,
My family's from Somalia, and like whenever
yeah,
people
she's a
find that
she's a
out, they always
comedian.
ask like the weirdest questions. And one I probably get the most is like, "What do you guys eat? Like, what's your national dish?" But no one is ever ready for the answer because Somalia, a country in Africa, our national dish is spaghetti.
Really?
Yes.
Confuses
Really?
people whenever they hear that.
but no, rice
That's is an
and
Italian
spaghetti.
tradition, and they're expecting me to say something gross like pickled goat elbow. There are two movies about Somalis. Captain Phillips and Black Hawk Down, and they do not reflect well upon us.
Oh.
I just learned another new thing.
Yeah.
Spaghetti.
هؤلاء المجرمون البلا قلب البلا رحمة الذين لا يفكرون أبدا بالفقراء والمساكين البشعون السامون قمامة القمامة
I mean, he also looks confused.
I told you that.
That's Somali.
That's Somali. They all have banana. Yeah.
Just weird.
Not the That's how you gotta come in 2022.
I like his vibe so much.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, doing a cover of the beloved Somali song. Can we start on 3, ladies?
Yes, ready? 3, 2, 1.
أقصونا إنك جهلا أنا love you more than my life أنا أحبك يا حبيبي ناكو بندو
Habibi.
I like that. I like that. I love Somali songs. I love that.
ما انت محاسمين دونا بريز لكن فيرشن عصب ايه ولواتن ايه لواتن تن ايه
Can we find Somali last rain this time?
Yeah, I was gonna.
Really?
زب او لواتن ايه لواتن تي كو عصب
With banana. Always with banana.
Always, you have to have a banana.
It's almost like a side dish.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you have to. You can't
Have
like
to.
the food. It's not gonna be food without banana.
Yeah.
Hey guys,
Ooh,
welcome back to
it's a game
Keith Eats.
pasta.
I got Zubair in the building. We're about to have some Somali food. Grab it, mix everything, use your hands.
Oh yeah, we eat it with our hands.
Oh, okay.
I'm not Somali, but this is how I eat it.
And then you just take a bite.
Yeah, you just take a bite.
Bite,
You grab
bite.
some of the goat meat.
Okay.
You gotta get some of the banana though.
Get some banana.
What's a white banana?
Get some banana. Get some of the food.
Now you get it. You see, I didn't.
Okay, I now understand.
Now
Now
you
I get it.
understand. I told you.
Okay.
Banana is necessary. He doesn't even understand.
Don't waste your time.
Life is short.
Keep going.
Keep going, bro.
Keep eating.
Somali food.
Oh, okay. I think I saw everything. Oh, okay. I really enjoyed it.
And I learned
Cool.
so many new things about Somalia, like you guys like
Yeah.
pasta,
We love
spaghetti,
pasta.
And you guys like banana.
Banana number.
It's almost like a side.
Yeah, and you have amazing dress outfit.
Right.
The fashion, yeah.
And love their accent.
Everyone's good looking. in
Yes,
Somalia.
like more like
you.
Debatable.
And there are a lot of Muslims in there.
I give you guys an invitation.
We should go.
Thank you so much for introducing us.
Yeah, introducing the Somali culture.
Yeah.
Sahib.
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 Brother for
bro.
life.
Sahib. It's just TikTok. We should go Somali and
Yeah.
see the real culture
No,
in there.
real.
Life is a journey.
Huh?
Yeah, I agree. Life is strong. Okay, so he's also a YouTuber and traveling, right?
Yeah, I'm also a YouTuber. I'm gonna be traveling 40 countries this year.
Wow.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Go subscribe to me. Go show me some love.
And also, you know, it's Ramadan soon, so
Oh,
make
yeah,
sure
Ramadan.
you guys should like
Ramadan.
collaborate.
Ramadan, yeah.
Yeah.
Ramadan, we're gonna do a lot of stuff, man.
Yeah, inshallah.
I need some Korean people.
Yeah, like brother country. Wakanda!
Wakanda!
Wakanda.
Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Take care and be safe. Alhamdulillah. 마살람 여러분. 감사합니다, 여러분. See ya!
See ya!
How to say bye-bye in Somali?
Goodbye.
Just bye? Bye. Just bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
man.
Habib.
Bye.
Bye, Habib.
I've been waiting, I've been hurting, 'cause I've been falling.